Every building tells a story of dreams, memories, achievements, and generations. Like every living creation, buildings too were meant to evolve. Time changes buildings. We help buildings evolve with time. Has prolonged exposure, water seepage, corrosion, foundation distress, or structural deterioration affected your building? Is demolition the only solution? We believe otherwise. Buildings can be strengthened, realigned, lifted, shifted, restructured, and transformed without losing their identity. Foundation replacement and reinforcement, building realignment, building lifting and shifting, pile failure rectification, structural rectifications, replacement of deteriorated RCC members, engineered structural restructuring, reverse engineering solutions, infrastructure rehabilitation, specialized engineering interventions. Sometimes the greatest opportunity is not around a building, but beneath it. Unlocking hidden possibilities beneath existing buildings below the ground for vehicle parking, while preserving what already exists. The most sustainable building is often the one that already exists. Preserving structures, reducing demolition, saving resources, protecting the environment. We don't merely repair structures. We redefine their future. We engineer possibilities. EDSS, Engineering Possibilities. Preserving the environment for the future.